Don't move. You got a butterfly. Don't move on your shoulder. Oh, that's so beautiful. Hey, Pa.
Got a little friend.
Oh my gosh, it got beautiful color
I can
too.
see blue.
Yeah, it has a blue wing.
Mm.
That's so cute. Oh my gosh. We got a friend.
Means we're going to get the visitor.
It flew.
To fly away.
Yeah, that one there. It might come back. It's in your head. Oh, that's so cute, Fry. It likes you.
We've got a new friend.
Yeah.
Keeps
That's
coming back like a
cute.
boomerang.
No, you gotta keep walking with it. That's so colorful. So bright red. Like on fire. And it's so thin too. Look at this. It's like a knife. It's so thin.
It probably gives off an odour too.
Uh-huh. Like natural.
A rattan smell.
Checking out your hat. Look at this weird looking thing. There's a big caterpillar. Weird looking thing. You doing some exercise? We're supposed to be walking to the Red Arrow for exercise, but we're here amongst the plant here in the Botanic Garden.
Up here, there's a butterfly. You can zoom in.
Where about? Oh yeah, that's a big one. Just trying to zoom in. That's a big one.